under review for. We've worked with doctors.
Good morning, guys. Good evening, good afternoon. I'm in a morning drive, go to work, and it's snowing outside. Be careful out there, Colorado. This is snow day. Holy cow. Hello, hello. This is late. This is snowing last couple days, and it's now snowing again, so the road is slippery. Yeah, when I'm learning driving, I told my husband, no, I don't want to drive, I'm scared. And he said, you need to. How come if by yourself only? You need to drive, you need to learn. Okay. Well, I don't know how many years already I'm driving. Almost 19 years I'm driving. Wow. I'm old. Looking to a little car. He said, "Han, this is good for you. This is the one is fit for you." Where are you? I'm in here in a I'm over there to the SUV. I don't want to look to the little car. He's looking to the little car, and I go to the SUV. He's talking and I'm not in his back. He's calling me. I'm over there to the big one. I don't want the little one. But now I don't want that little one. I'm little. I don't want to drive the little one. That's funny. to go back inside and change my shoes. I'm not wearing the snow boots. To cover my windshield. Just in there only my phone first because I wanna go cover. They're making noise, my car. Ewan ko kay 23 naman. Ha? 23 degrees? I wanna scrub. I don't wanna scrub. I know. Bibilin nila ako. Magbutang ka na. Bibilin ako kay abi na kita na. Ala. Butang ko. Uy, kaya kamo mo na ako nakita nga mag-snow. Nakubera na nako diha. Ah, nagngit-ngit kay nakubera na nako ako window. Why is there? Ah, kasi still right. They're making noise. Allah. Dali man pag nao niya. Sabi. Ang akong kidi ilak na. Ay. Nakalak na siya. wala. Akong gikuberan. Wa matarong una nga nako ang kaganiha. Na blackout ako sa cellphone kay gitabunan man ako atubangan. 7 o'clock daw mag-clear. Wala na snow. So mayon ta. Prepare lang ko nag-cover sa akong car. Katugnaw. Okay guys, bye bye. I'm inside the work now.